Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we will explore one important topic in Python entitled with how Python listens users input from keyboard, how Python speaks back, how Python transforms what it hears. These three sections can be performed through listener. Print function is the means of speaking back, and typecasting functions are nothing but the conversion of data type. It can be from string to int or from int to string. This is nothing general typecasting function. But bearing these three functions in mind, it is important to note also these input print typecasting functions are indeed complementary in programming, meaning they working together to handle user interaction and data manipulation. This is in short, meaning that they are not mutually exclusive, rather they go together. But to make things smooth, we will see step by step from inputting, then printing, then typecasting. So to begin with, how Python can accept name and age of user. Optional actually, but entering this one is descriptive. Passing this string is descriptive, meaning to explain what Python requests for. Right, let me run this one. Now, enter your name is a descriptive what was passed to input function, but this principally was this input function generates this prompt so that one can enter any value. For example, the name of any person is, for example, Jackie. Enter. It is not enter and shift but only enter, so that this allows the entered value is assigned to this variable. Then the next code executes, meaning that it requests user to enter age 30. Therefore, to display what is entered into name and the age, we make use of print function, meaning displaying section, meaning speaks back through print function. Right. Function. So print if formatting is popular and recommended one. Your name is name and you are this age years old. Right? Now what the objective is to display what is the content of name and what is the content of age in descriptive manner. So let me run this one. I found your name is Jackie and you are 30 years old. It's nothing but the echo of what is entered by the user. Right? This Jackie is from this name and this 30 is from this age. Right? So this one is nothing but the speaks back means of Python. What the difficulty here is to make some sort of operations. For example, if I write code as follows, your name is this one and next year you will be age plus 1 years old. Certainly this code will produce an error, specifically type error. What do you think that this error produces? Due to which expression or due to which section of this code that type error is generated? This is nothing but due to this expression. Let us see. I ran this code and generated a type 1 error. This is nothing but due to the difference in data type of these operands. Age has string data type, whereas 1 is int by its nature. Let us check what's the type of age here. It is number, but it is considered to be as a string through this input function. Age, this is nothing but string, whereas type 1 is int. So Python does not allow to concatenate two operands having different data types. Due to this having different data types in one expression, this error could be generated. So what the solution is, casting one operand data type to the other. For example, let me change or convert from string into int this age variable by int function, as is int age plus 1. Now these two operands having the same data type is to produce free of error after execution. Right, let me run. Right, this is nothing but the output of this print function, which is free from error due to the adjustment made here around this expression. Your name is Jackie, and next year you will be 31 years old. Right, what if I change or I convert this one into string, stir 1? What will be the scenario here is the code will be executed without any error, but the result or the output will be meaningless. Right? Let us see. Right, your name is Jackie, and next year you will be 3 or 1 years old. Unbelievable. It is invalid with regarding to the context what we expect. This is not valid result. So rather than converting this one into string, it is better to convert age into int type, so that the code to be free of error and produce meaningful result. This is nothing but what typecasting is. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial.